Power management.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to yet another adventure. Today I'm meeting up with Tango again. Yeah, from there, we're going to go check on the GSXR. But before that, we'll go see Bob. Is Tango here? He is. Hola, El Tango. Tango, it's just you and I today.
That's fine.
I don't know that we've ever done this before.
Well, not that we talked about.
We're going to go see Bob. Got a couple messages saying Bob's loaded. I don't know what that means. We're going to find out, right? Then, let's go down to Lap Motorsports. Check on the old shit box. Out of my way, Chris. Oh, did I mention I have a whole bunch of giveaway stuff for you? Yeah, I'm wearing a Voss backpack, and it's full with a bunch of hats and key tags, and I'm gonna give it all away today to you. Oh, he's gonna beat me. He's so fast. Oh, he's so cheated too, though. Hell of a bird that was. Went to Cooks this weekend. Live bands. Shit's back to normal. Like it. Love it, actually. Love it. Cold beers and a rock show. Uh-oh. That's no good. So many memorials on this road. A lot of people have died on this road. This road's not forgiving. I mean, look at how small the shoulder is. You get out of control, you're gonna hit shit. Like trees. Big trees. I wish I knew how many people died on this road. There's gotta be a statistic somewhere. Oh, look at that, a Miata. That one looks faster than Derek's. All right. What's up, Bob? Been a bit. Oh, he's got stuff. Someone's birthday.
Party stickers.
Money.
Hey. Nice.
Well, that's fun.
AK round.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Bob. There's even stuff in the pockets.
Harder.
Under the cock? Oh my God.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? We got tons of stickers. Did you know AGV was the first helmet I ever owned?
Yeah.
I still have it too. Some Cardo, some Bell, all kinds. We even got some candy, cherry heads, probably a lot like lemon heads. Okay, $1 can never go wrong with a buck. And a bullet. But you know what this is.
It looks like it's for an AK-47. I don't have my glasses on. What's it say? 762 by 39?
AK-47. Are those rounds easy to come by in America?
Not right now. There's no ammunition easy to come by in America.
So this is currency. Hey Sub D, been watching your channel for a while now. I finally had the opportunity to leave a note here for you. I'm currently on my way from Oregon to Florida, and I'm taking the long way there. Just wanted to stop by and say hi and to tell you to keep up the great content. Love tuning in every Monday to see where y'all getting food at. Keep it up. Take care, Jack. Jack, I really appreciate it, man. I don't know how far out of the way you went to go see old Bob, but I can't get him to say shit. You know what? I have a special sticker.
Oh.
Right. Dude, back from 2015. I found it in my garage as I was putting my gloves on. The most suitable place to hide this sticker is under the cock. Well, you guys bought up all my cucumber soda, you sons of bitches. Alright, well, I'll default to something I had before that I really liked. This shit was pretty good. Yeah, pineapple, mint leaf soda.
I'll try it.
You're gonna like it.
Portuguese blend. Pineapple mint leaf soda. Oh, it's fantastic.
Right?
Fuck, that's good. Oh, that made me forget about the cucumber soda. It's like a trip to Hawaii or something. It's fucking delicious, dude.
You like this over the cucumber?
Oh, yeah. And I like the cucumber, but this is good.
Lap Motorsports. Should I put it in the GPS? What's that?
You want to ride this?
Yeah, I'll ride that thing. Shit, I don't even... This is one of the biggest bikes I've ridden ever.
Well, it's electronic, so it'll sense your weight and it'll adjust for you.
You got like video games up here, man. Nice. Let's do it. All right. So Tango, he's got a bunch of bikes. This is not his only bike, but he always rides it. Now I know why. This thing's cool, man. This is one of those go anywhere in the world bikes. I cannot believe how easy of a bike this is to ride. Wow. Dude, this is a big bike, but it feels so small. This bike is effortless to ride. Unbelievable. Here I am riding around bikes that are 10, 15 years old. Dude, I'm missing out. I need to get on that technology train. I cannot believe how effortless it is to ride this thing.
And I know we were just in the canyon, but like you wick it up and it's a 1200. It goes, dude.
I'm impressed. Now I'm back on the shitbox. Woo! Did I just call this bike a shitbox? It's totally not a shitbox. Feels like a shitbox after getting on that thing though. Look at all the police. Cops. That dude's riding a dirt bike on the street. Oh my god, that guy's so fucked. We are almost to our destination. Mr. David, I brought gifts.
What's up, dude? What you got?
Let me give you this Voss backpack. Now, in this Voss pack, did you give away all those key tags yet? Give you some more. We get you a large shirt. Do with what you want. They're going to get this backpack. This is also for free. And then a couple Voss hats. Come on into Lap Motorsports, grab a hat, backpack, shirt, key tag. You probably have some stickers left over, I'm assuming. It's free. This stuff's here, so you guys watching this video, if you guys are local and in the area, swing through, say what's up. Take a gander at the old shitbox 750.
Bro, look at this thing. It's not even in the fuse. It's melted. It's been arcing for a while. Bro, this could have started an actual electrical fire.
What is that?
My friend my favorite part.
Wow, look at how dirty it is.
Yeah, bro.
Boxo junk. So this is all garbage.
Yeah.
And we're gonna rid this bike of 5 pounds right off the bat.
Looks like you've done so much, man. You've gotten rid of so much dirt.
Took off quite a few pounds of debris.
Oh my gosh.
Now that we have all of the dirt and grease off the bike, we can kind of really gauge what we're working with. And it's got good bones.
No frame damage?
No frame, but this is going to go to a place in Anaheim to have the geometry checked, as well as the rear subframe and the swing arm.
Yeah.
If there's any issues, they can retweak it back to where it needs to be, and then we'll send it out to powder coat so we can get rid of all the nicks and scratches. Because it does have some impacts, some imperfections on this side where you can see it's been hit. Yeah, once it comes back, the valves will be adjusted, all this, resealed. We'll go through the whole wiring harness just to make sure there's no issues.
Okay, well, I'm excited. And you've got cameras. We're kind of documenting along the way.
Yeah.
What's the next big step?
Tear down.
Tear down.
Tear down.
See you later, buddy. You're in good hands. You're nice and shiny. I've never seen it so shiny. Yeah. Vroom, vroom. We will meet again.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for everything.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Two bars again. I got 42 miles. Think I could make it?